Hey everyone, welcome back to JPFD. I'm AG.
I'm AK.
And welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be doing Hiragana and a little bit kanji
Okay.
and a little bit of adjectives.
Okay. That sounds interesting.
So we're going to learn Hiragana and a little bit of kanji with adjectives.
Okay.
That's the idea.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is adjective in Japanese?
Oh, adjective in Japanese? Keiyoshi.
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 Keiyoshi. Somewhere up here.
Okay.
Keiyoshi. Okay.
Did you know?
No.
Okay.
Keiyoshi.
But it's okay. So how are we gonna start telling Keiyoshi to listeners?
Okay, so for the hiragana, we're gonna be doing the a, I, U, E, O characters. And so we've got a list of characters on the phone here. And what we're gonna do is that we're going to AK is gonna read out the English, and I'm gonna try and get the Japanese. So it'll be a bit like a review, but that's gonna be the episode. If you've seen the other episodes.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so let's do it.
I already prepared.
Okay.
Alright. So, bright or cheerful?
That's Akarui.
Oh, how are you now? Good.
Again, I've got like a way to remember it because I don't want to get too much into it, but like Aka is red. So I think like colourful, cheerful, bright, red.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's weird.
Oh, that's a good way to remember.
Yeah,
actually.
red's more like an angry colour, but I just remember it as like a
I see.
bright colour, I don't know.
Yeah, but okay. Make sure the kanji is different as red.
Yes, so the kanji will be up here as well.
Yeah,
I'll put red up as well so you can see that. I don't know if we covered it in the previous episode or not, but I'll put that up too. But yeah, you can see Aka.
Akarui is actually having a quite interesting kanji.
It does actually. Yeah.
Because this side, left side is like a day. And then the right side is moon.
Oh yeah.
So that's akarui.
So like so whenever I see it written down, it's usually tomorrow, and not. I mean, I see it written tomorrow. I mean, it's also in the word tomorrow, which is
Ashita.
Ashita.
Oh yeah, right.
Yes. So it's said differently. It's a bit of a strange one.
Yeah, that's right. All right. Okay. Next one. I think people may use at work, so you probably know.
Okay, well, this is interesting.
Okay. Busy.
Oh, this is easy. Yeah, isogashi.
Isogashi. Yeah, does your work people?
Everyone's isogashi all the time.
Oh, how?
Including me, especially me.
Okay,
yeah.
Is that Japanese culture?
Well, everyone's isogashi in Japan, right?
Yeah.
Everyone has no time for anything.
Yeah. Why? They probably need to work until midnight.
11 o'clock at night. Yeah, that's right.
And then they need to come to work at I don't know 7 a.m. or something like that.
Something like that, yeah. So you can get all the work done.
Okay. So next one is noisy.
Noisy. Urusai.
Oh, you know a lot today.
That's one I use a lot.
Oh, when?
Because of you.
No, I don't think so.
No, but this is one you hear often. It's not just like this thing is noisy, but people say that when something's noisy and they want them to shut up.
Oh, it's like a AC or I don't know, people talking in different places.
Yeah, or someone's like being really loud and you say urusai, shut up.
But we don't really say shut up, right? Can you be quiet?
Well, that's how I use it anyway. I say urusai.
Oh, are you gonna use like a urusai only? What?
I guess.
Okay. I mean, you can also say urusai, but you don't probably say
rude,
in
right?
front of people.
It's rude.
I mean, yeah, because you're saying shut up.
You're basically saying shut up, yeah. So if it gets to that point, you know a word for that.
All right.
Urusai.
Urusai. All right. Next word is this English may bring confusion sometimes.
Well, we'll try it. We'll see how it goes.
All right. Great.
Okay, can I get like a context for that? Great.
All right. I often use that. Okay. Easy word. So my boss is great. Like, my boss is a great person.
Okay.
So, that's how I use.
Mm-hmm. So that's erai?
Oh, you know? Okay.
Erai?
I thought you don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, that's 偉い人.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you say my boss is a great person in Japanese?
私の上司 or boss は偉い人です。
Okay.
うん。
Okay, that's pretty straightforward. I'll have it on the screen again.
Yeah. The last one is slow.
Slow. Osoi.
Oh! You get everything today. Good.
Nice. It will not be like that probably ever again.
Okay.
I'll take it where I can get it.
Alright. So in what situation are you using slow? Osoi?
Oh, so when I get to the train station and then I just miss my train by about 3 seconds and I go, oh, so osoi. And then I get on the train and then the train starts going and then about halfway between my station and the station that I'm supposed to get to, the train stops for no apparent reason. So it's so osoi, or it creeps along at an osoi pace.
Oh.
And then I'm late for work. Again.
So, like, when did you get that word from? Like, where did you get it from?
Oh, you hear it all the time, like, you know, or you see it a lot. It's one of those words that you run into often, kind of like urusai, you hear a lot. And I not really, but some of the other words we've probably the ones you'll hear the most are urusai and osoi, because anything can be osoi.
Oh, what do you mean? Anything?
Like, you can also be like late, right?
Oh, okureru? No, that's different.
No, late. Say osoi.
Osoi.
You're late.
You are late.
You are late. You're osoi, right? So it's the same word, right? So slow, late, that kind of thing. So you hear that quite a lot. Yeah. Oh, the train's late, you know.
But train's late. We use a different word.
Okay. Or the train is slow, I guess. Or the train you're on is slow. Or it's going to be late, right? So you say osoi, right?
No, that's okureru.
Okay, well.
It's fine.
That's what I use anyway.
Okay.
Now another word. We'll put that word in as well.
Okureru? So like you're being late and then you say to your friend that you're being late. So I am okureru.
Oh, okay.
So, 遅れていく. So I'm going later.
Okay. Okay, so that's it. So let's do the roundup. Why don't you give me the English words?
Okay.
And then I try to come back with the Japanese words. And we'll do like rapid fire. Okay, so let's go.
Okay. Okay. Busy.
忙しい.
Noisy.
うるさい.
Bright.
明るい.
Slow.
遅い.
Great.
偉い.
Nice. Yeah, you do pretty well today. I hope like all the listeners or do we say listeners?
Watchers, viewers. People could be listening or watching or both or neither. Probably neither.
Reader?
Neither.
Or neither. Oh. I hope all the viewers enjoy this video today.
Yep, absolutely. And so we're doing another one of these pretty soon. So keep an eye out for that. And until next time, everybody, thank you and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.